In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the Shopify store name. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, the actual name of my store is actually in here, which is my store. So this is actually a default store name for your store that you have opened on Shopify. Now, if you want to change that, you can head over in here on your settings. And then under that settings, you should be able to see in here the store name. So click on the store name right here or click on this pencil icon first. Then in here, you can see the store name. So for example, let's name it Tiara Store. And then once you have put in here the store name that you want, just click on save. Then as you can see, this will load. As you can see, settings has been saved. So when you cross this one, as you can see, there's still my store right here. What you can do is you can actually head over and then refresh your Shopify page altogether. Now, once you have refreshed it, you should be able to see that your name in here has already changed, which means that the name of your store has been changed as well. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.